Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is JBL bar 2.0 80 watts audio power. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this sound bar to your TV with optical cable. So take the optical cable and hook it up to optical port. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the back of your TV to optical digital audio out. This is where it goes. Optical digital audio out. The next thing to do is switch the soundbar on. Once you switch the soundbar on, then select TV. It's now on TV. You will see a white light on the soundbar. If you select Bluetooth, the light will be in blue color. So the soundbar is on TV. The next thing to do is you need to switch your TV on. Then select the TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Then scroll to the side to optical out device. Select on it. So this is now connected. And when it's in optical, you increase the volume using the soundbar remote. We go to YouTube. My TV is not connected with antenna. This is the reason why there's no signal, but we're going to go to YouTube. Now from YouTube, you can watch any program you want to watch. I'm going to go to my channel due to copyright issue 4150i. This is the audio. I want to show you how to copy documents with this printer. I'm also going to show you how to copy with phone. To copy a document, open the document cover, the glass scanner, and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. You will see arrow on the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. The next thing to do is select this button if you want to copy the document in black. Select it once. So I just mute the audio. This is how to connect this soundbar and your TV with optical cable. I had to just show the audio or video from my YouTube channel due to copyright issues. So I'm not allowed to show any other person video or audio. But this is now connected via optical cable. Thank you very much indeed.